Come on in, come closer, please. Now, keep coming in, keep coming in. Now listen, you don't want to go messing down with that old house down that road. People don't like it, they don't like it stupid around. So now, let me tell you now, I'm having a barbecue. Now can I ask you, do you like chicken? You like steak?
Yeah.
Fantastic. You want to come in on that barbecue? Come on in. Good. Come on through now. Come on through.
Nor would they have wished to see as much of the mad and macabre as they were to see that day. For them, an idyllic summer afternoon drive became a nightmare. The events of that day were to lead to the discovery of one of the most bizarre crimes in the annals of American history, told here in the UK. Now is the perfect time to turn around.
Come on, nothing to worry about. You go on through, nothing to worry about at all. You have a nice touchdown there. Yeah. Don't be going in there. That's no storage covers. You have a nice little time. Nothing to worry about at all.
Mindful lock.
Before you come the next one, I tell you what, y'all get back the ribeye steak.
that. Thank you.